How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch the most precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I want to talk about a ticker that is trending, has a lot of hype, it's made some massive moves, and that is ticker SOUN, SOUN. And I want to go over how my system works. How do I know where to buy? Where do I know where to sell? Where do I know where to take profit? And before I get into all these questions, let's go right into I have a premium Discord that is only $6 a month, and I give you guys my exact entries and exits of my favorite trades, and we make massive money. And I'll put that link to the YouTube comments below. But let's get into what you guys wanted to see. I wanted to show you that because this system is very profitable, and we have lots of members that are coming in and making a lot of money, just like you can. So let's go under where should we buy and where should our sales, and what is on my chart that for the new people that are watching this. So the bottom band is a solid green line, and that is going to be when price gets near that band, it means it is a strong buy signal, and it doesn't mean you get right away, but you look for other factors like the KDJ, smaller time frames, and all that, market sentiment. The red band is a clear sell-off. That is your strict sell signal. You should not be holding any shares. You should be taking your profit and should not be holding for this long because price will go back. And when I say we'll go pull back, I'm thinking the blue band. This is where price has to go back to, and it will within a time period. As you can see, when price has pulled back, it shuts up, pulls back up, and hits this blue band. It has to do that because that is a correction and reversion to the mean. All right, so now we're at this inflection point. Let me go to the left and show you some other sell points of what this kind of looks like and see if there's any like support resistance here. So we get right in here, we sell off. Here's kind of what it looks like. What we're seeing. We're seeing price go above it. As you can see, the licks go up, and then it shoots all the way down here to the next day at this bottom. Tries to go up and retest it, and that would be a very bullish signal if we just keep climbing up like that, but it cannot, and it goes back down to this blue band, and then it goes all the way down further, losing all of its gains if you were buying up in here. Not really any clear buy signals, as there's not a lot of data for this to show me. There's usually always something, but this has been honestly near here. It gets close and then it shoots up. But this has been one of those stocks that has given strong sell signals to short the stock, and we'll see what goes from there. But yeah, I would not be touching this right in here, guys. I know it's tempting to see a stock go up 60% right here, and then it's just kind of stable nice here. But you got to realize is it cannot control this momentum here, guys, because the more it's in this black area above the red band, there's not much to trade. Yes, you can make money, but you're also risking all the way down here. All the way down here at $2.30. It could easily go down to, do I think it's going to go down there in the next day? We don't know, but I don't think it will too. It's going to take some time because as you can see, when price goes up, this is going to start crowing up. So I expect right here in the halfway mark, the price will meet with the blue band and touch right in there. This is a very tricky trade, and honestly, if you don't really understand what's going on, I would not trade it and look for a better trade because there's always a trade that is trading at my green band that will give you a nice buy signal and give you those nice returns, guys. Don't ever force a trade just because you love the company, you love the news, the fundamentals are so good, and you think nothing can go wrong. Something will go wrong. And just based on this system right here, I very rarely see, stocks stay in this region for so long. They can go like in here and bounce here and there, but it's going to go down, and it's going to be a swift pullback. Unless you're good at having stop losses, I would not mess with it. There's a lot of things that can happen, guys. And then also, here is a clear confirmation, too. We're getting on the weekly. We have been the most overextended that we have ever seen. The weekly has never hit the red band. We are finally hitting the red band to a T, so I can really see on a bigger time frame that we are going to pull back quite swiftly here, guys. If not else, there's just very little room to the upside. You're looking at, maybe to 470 if it gets there. We're not too sure. So that is SOUN, SOUN. I hope you guys like this analysis, how I find the exact bottoms and the exact tops. If you guys want to learn more on some trades that we are in on and some trades that can make those 100% movers potentials and less risk and higher reward, then join the premium Discord. It's only $6. And the reason why I made it so cheap is because, one, not everyone has massive accounts to make money in Discords that charge hundreds of dollars. A $500, $100 account can never get that gains, whereas only $6 a month, you can make lots of money with only a little fee. And I give you exactly my trade alerts. This is a sample what it looks like. The green check marks means I filled. You can see I put a limit order to buy, the ticker, and an exact price before the market the price gets there, so you can put in your broker and we can get the same entry order. If you just want to follow strictly what I do, for over 6 years I've been doing this strat and been consistently profitable to be a full-time trader. This is a living proof that you could do this strat and make money. There's also a setup video if you want to just honestly have my setup guide and me going in more in depth of a 30-minute video describing everything that I use and how to use these indicators properly, how to use it with the market sentiment, and what to look for in the rare situations. There is a 30-minute video that goes over all this that you're seeing and that you probably just never seen and you just want to learn more about it. It's a very educational video and you will get a lot of info on that. This is very crucial. And like I said, if you ever just want to message anyone, we have tons of members in here ready to help you with finding reversals. If you're looking at this video, you're obviously trying to figure out, is there much room to the upside? What's the downside risk? And as you can see that the price can easily hit to the blue band. I'm thinking it's going to meet up in here. The upside is just so little, very little. So that's kind of, the system can kind of tell you where your risk and reward can be. So it's very nice. If you guys like this video, join the premium Discord. You won't regret it. I'll put the link down below into the YouTube comments section. And also, give it a like, subscribe, tell me your average share price for SOUN. That any type of engagement will help the algorithm of YouTube share it to other retail traders just like you that are trying to find reversals in the stock market and make lots of money. As I spent thousands and thousands of hours perfecting a system to match my personality of when to buy, when to sell, and I looked at customized settings of how do I figure out what works for the general market and what thing works consistently, because you want to be consistently profitable and you want to have an edge. No one knows the future, but having an edge makes you win more often than not is what makes you stay in the game, guys. Okay, guys, I hope you see you in the Discord. Thanks for watching. I'll go over the next trade in the next video and catch you in the Discord. Peace out.